In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view comments on TikTok ads. Navigating the online world of advertising, especially on platforms like TikTok, can feel like trying to decipher a foreign language. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through every step of the way. Let's dive into how you can view comments on your TikTok ads, an essential feature that allows you to gauge audience engagement and gather valuable feedback. First things first, head over to the TikTok ads homepage. Finding this page is as simple as typing TikTok ads into your search engine or entering the URL directly into your browser's address bar. Once you're there, the interface is quite user-friendly, guiding you smoothly to your next step. Upon landing on the TikTok ads page, you'll see the Login button. Click on this to proceed. It's crucial to log into your account to access the specific details of your ad campaigns, and clicking this button will take you straight to the login portal. After clicking login, you'll be prompted to enter your email and password associated with your TikTok ads account. Take your time to enter this information accurately. Typing in the correct credentials is paramount for accessing your account information safely and securely. Once you've filled in your email and password, click on the login button once more. This action will tell the system to verify your credentials and grant you access to your TikTok ads account dashboard. The next step involves a security measure, the CAPTCHA verification. It's a simple step implemented to ensure that the user attempting to log in is indeed a person, not a robot. Complete the CAPTCHA as instructed and click on Confirm. This extra layer of security helps protect your account from unauthorized access. Following the CAPTCHA verification, you might be asked to verify your identity through a code sent to your email. This is an additional security measure TikTok implements to safeguard your account. Go to your email inbox, retrieve the code, and type it into the designated field on the TikTok ads page. With all security checks out of the way, navigate to the campaign section on your TikTok ads dashboard. This area is where you can manage all aspects of your advertising campaigns, from budgeting to analytics. You'll find it easily depicted, usually in the form of a button or link clearly labeled Campaign. Next, click on the ad group within the campaign you wish to explore comments for. Ad groups are subsets of your campaigns, each possibly targeting different audiences or utilizing various ad formats. Choosing the correct ad group is crucial for accurately viewing comments relevant to your interest. In the ad group settings, you'll find an option labeled Edit Draft. Clicking on this will allow you to make changes to your ad setup, but more importantly, it will bring you closer to managing your interaction settings, including comments. Once in the editing mode, navigate to the placement section. Here you'll get to decide where your ad appears on the TikTok platform. Placement is key to ensuring your ad reaches the most suitable audience segment for your business. After you've reviewed your placements, one more important step to take is clicking on Advanced Settings. This section holds various settings that can optimize your ad performance, including those related to user interactions. Within the advanced settings, you should find the User Comment option. Here's where you enable or disable the ability for viewers to leave comments on your ads. To view comments, you'll want to ensure this feature is turned on. Adjust the toggle accordingly. Enabling comments can provide you with direct feedback from your audience, offering invaluable insights into their perception of your ad. Remember, engaging with your audience through comments can significantly enhance the effectiveness of your advertising efforts. By following these steps, you've now set up your TikTok ad to receive and display comments, allowing you to directly engage with your audience and gauge the reception of your ads. Monitoring and responding to comments can provide powerful opportunities to connect with potential customers, address concerns, and even adjust your campaign based on real-time feedback. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial on how to view comments on TikTok ads. I hope you found these instructions helpful and straightforward. Don't forget, experimenting with different settings and actively managing your ads can lead to greater success in your advertising endeavors. Have fun advertising on TikTok, and see you in the next video.